In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Elementor kit. This is a handy skill to master, especially when you're looking to start fresh with your website design or troubleshoot existing issues. Remember, this feature is only available in Elementor Pro version 3.8 or later, so make sure your Elementor is up to date before we get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Elementor option. Click on it, and a list of tools will appear underneath. From this list, you'll want to select Tools. This brings us to the section where we can manage our templates and imported kits. Now, within this Tools section, look for the tab labeled either Website Templates or, in some cases, Import/Export Kit. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your Elementor kits. Go ahead and click on that tab to access the features specific to templates and kit management. Once you're in this tab, scroll down a bit until you reach the section where you can manage your website templates. Here, you'll see an option that says Remove Website Template. Clicking on this will initiate the process of removing the kit from your WordPress site. Next comes an important step, confirming the removal. When you click on Remove Website Template, a prompt will appear, requiring you to confirm this action. Click Delete. After that, you'll see an option to confirm by selecting OK. It's crucial to double-check that you're OK with these changes because once confirmed, the action is irreversible. By completing these steps, you will successfully delete all imported pages. This includes headers, footers, content, and global styles associated with that specific kit. Essentially, your website design resets from the template standpoint, providing you with a blank slate to work with. Keep in mind that while removing a kit is straightforward, it's always a good practice to back up your site or take note of any customizations you might want to recreate later. This way, you're safeguarded against any unintentional loss of valuable data or settings. And there you have it. A clean and simple way to remove an Elementor kit from your website, paving the way for new designs or troubleshooting older ones. By mastering this process, you're adding a valuable tool to your WordPress skill set. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.